I hope my screen is visible to all of you and you are to focus on the slides now. You can see that our topic, today's topic is positive and negative numbers. And we people are already familiar about the numbers, simple numbers, counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, so on, whole numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Let's see what we are going to learn more about the numbers here. And here you can see that question is about positive and negative numbers. This definition I have taken from your book. And what is here? Define positive and negative numbers. So let's see what are the positive numbers. As per the statement is written here, you can see that positive numbers or a positive number, a number that is greater than 0. ऐसा नंबर जो ग्रेटर देन 0 होता है उसे हम पॉजिटिव नंबर लेते हैं और उसकी वैल्यू जो है वो 0 से बड़ी होती है. Negative number, a number that is less than 0, we use minus sign to show a negative number. ऐसा नंबर जो लेस होता है 0 से, उसकी वैल्यू भी लेस होती है 0 से, उसके लिए हम माइनस का साइन या नेगेटिव का साइन यूज करते हैं. और हमेशा यू कैन सी अ लाइन इज हियर which is showing that 0 is in the mid of the line and positive numbers are on the right side. On the other side you can see negative numbers are here. To explain this negative and positive numbers, we can move to the next slide. Here you can see numbers are here and 0 is different numbers are plotted on the number line, and in the mid of the number 0 is here. And you can see what the information we should recall in our mind is that numbers to the right of the 0 are positive. You can see, and there is no symbol with them. No need to write the symbol of the positive sign with them. It is understood that if the number is written alone without putting or writing a symbol or a sign with that number, it is understood that that is representing a positive number. ऐसे numbers जो किसी भी sign या symbol के बगैर लिखे गए हों, इसका मतलब ये है कि understood है कि वो positive numbers हैं. And here on a number line you can see the numbers to the right of the 0 are positive. It could be 1, 2, 3, so on. Till then, what we want, we can keep on writing them. We will make a number line according to our requirement of the question. And you can see numbers to the left of the 0 are negative numbers. ऐसे number जो left side पे 0 के होते हैं, ये negative numbers होते हैं. And you can see that symbol of the minus is also written along with them. हर number के साथ minus का sign जो है वो लगाया गया है, लिखा गया है, ताकि clear हो जाए कि these are numbers, those are negative numbers. It means that we are going to write the symbol of the sign of the minus with them to show that these are negative numbers. But in case of the positive numbers, those are written on the right side of the 0. No need to write any symbol. It's understood that they are representing positive numbers. Finally, we can say that the numbers on the right of the 0 are positive number and the numbers on the left side of the 0 are negative number. But what about 0? 0 number is neither positive और नॉट नेगेटिव. इट मीन्स कि 0 के साथ में ना तो हम कोई प्लस का साइन लेते हैं ना माइनस का साइन लेते हैं. 0 के साथ कोई सिंबल नहीं आता. 0 ना तो पॉजिटिव साइन का पॉजिटिव नंबर है ना नेगेटिव साइन का नेगेटिव नंबर है. इट्स अ न्यूट्रल. So this line we will use to represent our different questions values when we are going to be asked in different questions to plot numbers on the line. So you should keep in your mind how to draw a line. You can see that this is a straight line and different points are plotted at equal distance representing the distance of the numbers, and different numbers are written here, and 0 is at the center of the numbers. On the right side of the 0, positive numbers are written without any symbol or a sign, and on the left side of the number line you can see negative numbers are here with the symbol of the sign of the minus. Let's move towards our further information which we are going to use. This is a degree or Celsius. So what we are going to use? We are going to use this Celsius measurement. What is this? Degree Celsius, or you can see a unit of the degree C. You can see here that a way of measuring temperature to say how hot or cold something is, or change in temperature. This is all about Celsius. For example, if we are going to explain that about the weather, We can say it is 32 degrees centigrade temperature in Lahore today. Whatever the temperature you can write. This is just an example. It could be -2 if during the winter, if it is too cold, and 32 degrees centigrade is representing that no nowadays whatever the temperature is. And here you can see a thermometer which is showing us that 0 is here in the mid of the thermometer. And you can see from 0 to 10 there are small lines. They are representing the distance, equal distance, and these lines, small lines, are going to tell us about the measurement of the different scales. And what is the this red arrow is representing that above the 0 numbers are showing, above the 0 positive numbers are showing the warmer or the hot temperature. And you can see this blue area with the blue 0, with the blue numbers below the 0, with the below the 0 with the blue line, with the blue arrow, are representing the colder temperature or the coldest, or the temperature which is moving down. So this Celsius we are going to use in different questions, so we should keep in our mind. And here you can see this symbol of the degree, and capital C is here. This is the unit of the temperature, which is known as the Celsius degree. You should keep this thing also in your mind. Let's see what are the questions we are going to solve now. Question number 1. They have given us a thermometer. What question is asking? Look at the thermometer. What numbers are represented by the boxes? यहाँ पर boxes दिए गए हैं and boxes are representing arrows. Arrow से हमें check करना है कि arrow किस line पर हमें कौन सा number show करता है. Here you can see capital A is in one box, capital B is another one, and capital C is another one. So what they are asking about the arrows. We are going to help us to find the value of A. And here you can see 0 is here in the mid. How we can calculate from 0 to -10? 10 small lines are here. We are going to count, and we will see that which arrow is representing which line, and which line is representing the value of the which number. So it means, if according to the number line as we learned today, right now in the previous slide, that if this is 0 and the number to the right side of the 0 are positive numbers and are increasing. Like after the 0, this line will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. It means box C line is representing us a number 9. So what we will do, we will write 9, simply 9 without writing any number. Here you can see, if we draw a line, dotted line here, we can see that number is, let me pick the pen. Fine. Here you can see that this arrow is representing this line, and this line is showing 9th line between this 0 and 10. 0 से 10 तक के पॉजिटिव नंबर्स का जब हमने देखा, इसके दरमियान में 10 स्मॉल लाइंस हैं, 10 डिफरेंट गैप्स हैं. हम नंबर ऑफ द लाइंस को काउंट करेंगे. दिस इज आर 1, दिस इज 2, दिस इज 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So C is representing 9. So we will write capital C is equal to 9, and the number we will enter in the box. And here, to find out the B, you will draw the line. Here you can see, even you can start from A also, but I have started from the positive number. That's why we can write in from anywhere, because we have to fill all the boxes. And you can see the number at the negative on the right, on this other side, left side of the 0 are negative numbers. It means this is the 1, so this will be -1. So we will write -1. B is equal to -1. After that, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. It means that this line is representing us -8. So we will write -8 in the box. And separately we will write in the final way, A is equal to -8, B is equal to -1, and C is equal to 9. I think this is clear to you all. Let's move towards the next slide. what question number 2 is asking for. Here you can see question is about here are some temperatures recorded in different places on the same day. किसी दिन में different temperatures हैं वो record किए गए हैं. Temperatures are with the symbol of the minus and those are without any symbol. It is understood that they are showing the positive numbers. So what we will do, we will simply draw a number line. We will plot a equal distant point. We will draw a line like this way and we are going to find out the numbers. First we will find the first number, which is 7 degrees C. It is showing that this is positive number, so it will be on the right side of the 0. So let's see on the number line where the point 7 is lying. You can count the numbers and you can check the numbers also. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So as I have done with the red point, you can show your this point, highlighting this point with the red pen, and you will write the 7 degrees centigrade here. Other one is -2, so it should be on the other side of the minus or the negative number side. So here you can see -2 is here, so we will highlight that point with the red color and we will write -2 degrees centigrade. Then they said to plot 9 degrees centigrade, and this is without any symbol. It means it's understood we are going to find it in the positive side. So here you can see this is 9 degrees centigrade, so simply 9 degrees centigrade is written here. Then -8 is on the other side. -8 we can plot here and we can make it dominant with the red ink color as I have done. Other one is 0, so 0 is at the mid, so we will highlight it here and we will write the number above the 0, that this is representing 0 degrees centigrade temperature. Then other one is -9, so it will be on the left side of the 0 because this minus is showing us that this is a negative number. So we will be able to find out here on the number line on the left side. So here -9 degrees centigrade. Other one is 5 degrees centigrade with the no sign, so it will be a positive number and it will be going to be plotted on the other side, on the right side of the 0. So here you can see above the 5 I have made a dominant dot with the red color, and this is representing a 5 degrees centigrade temperature on the number line. Then last number is -1 degree centigrade. It is a minus number or negative number, so it would be on the left side. So here we can find -1 is written here, and we can simply draw this line and we will plot a number here, make a dominant dot to clear that this is place of the -1 degree centigrade. And in this way you are going to draw in your copy. What is your responsibility now? You are to make a straight line, plot equal distance point. 0 should be in the mid and positive numbers on the right side of the 0 without marking any sign or any symbol. But for negative numbers, you are to write the numbers on the left side of the 0, and you will write symbol of the subtraction or minus with them to show that these are negative numbers. Then take one number and find out the place on the number line, make it dominant with a dot or the line with the different color, and use your place and then make it prominent where to plot that number. I hope this is clear to you all, and this is very easy. I hope it is clear to you. Let's see to the next question. Here you can see question number 3. Write each of these sets of temperature in order starting the coldest temperature. There are 3 different parts. So before starting this, we are going to recall in our memory that if we want to write the coldest temperature, what we should prefer. So I would like to share you a number line. Here you can see numbers are written here. On the right side of the 0, positive numbers are here. And on the left side of the 0, negative numbers are here. So when we are going to arrange, we should keep this arrangement also. Another thing, as we know that in the scale slide, I have told you that the number above the 0 with the positive sign or without any sign or number above the 0 are showing the warmer temperature. As you can see here, 0 से ऊपर जो नंबर है हमारे पास, जो इसकी राइट साइड पे हैं, जिसके साथ कोई सिंबल नहीं होता, सिंपली उनके नंबर्स लिखे होते हैं, वो हमें वार्मर टेम्परेचर का बताते हैं. और जो हमारे पास 0 के लेफ्ट साइड पे नंबर्स होते हैं वो नेगेटिव में होते हैं, वो किसी भी टेम्परेचर का कोल्डर होना बताते हैं. तो जब हम अपने क्वेश्चन में नंबर्स को प्लॉट करते हैं तो हम उस नंबर लाइन का सीक्वेंस भी जहन में रखेंगे जो अभी हमने देखा कि जैसे जैसे हम जीरो से राइट साइड की तरफ मूव करते हैं टेम्परेचर जो है वो इंक्रीज होता है। इट मीन्स अगर कभी भी हम देखें तो जो जीरो से हमारे पास 1, 1 से 2, 2 से 3, जैसे जैसे हम राइट साइड की तरफ मूव कर रहे हैं नंबर इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं। इट मीन्स टेम्परेचर भी इंक्रीज होगा। नंबर के बढ़ने के साथ साथ टेम्परेचर भी इंक्रीज होता जाएगा। और अगर हम जीरो से जिस तरीके से हम किसी भी नंबर पे लेफ्ट साइड पे मूव होंगे तो नंबर डिक्रीज होता जाएगा, यानी कि नंबर जो है वो कम होता जाएगा। वैल्यू जो टेम्परेचर की है या टेम्परेचर जो है वो डिक्रीज होता जाएगा। हम क्या करेंगे, हम अपने जहन में इस नंबर लाइन को रखेंगे कि हम जिस तरीके से कभी भी नंबर को देखें। फॉर एग्जांपल मैं स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ -10 से। जैसे जैसे मैं नंबर्स के लिए माइनस, चाहे नंबर माइनस का हो, नेगेटिव नंबर हो या पॉजिटिव नंबर हो, अगर हम लेफ्ट साइड से राइट साइड की तरफ जा रहे हैं, राइट साइड की तरफ मूव कर रहे हैं तो टेम्परेचर बढ़ता जा रहा है। टेम्परेचर जो है ये इंक्रीज करता जाएगा। इट मीन्स -4 जो है वो -5 से ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर होगा। -3 जो है वो -4 से ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर होगा। -2 जो है वो -3 से ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर होगा। -1 जो है वो -2 से ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर होगा। एंड सिंपल जीरो -1 से ज़्यादा होगा, या फिर 1 जो है वो 0 से ज़्यादा होगा। मीन्स जैसे जैसे हम नंबर्स को नंबर लाइन पे राइट साइड की तरफ देखते हैं तो राइट साइड की मूवमेंट हमें बताती है कि टेम्परेचर जो है वो इंक्रीज कर रहा है। और इसी तरीके से जब हम अपने नंबर्स को राइट के बजाय लेफ्ट साइड पे मूव करेंगे तो इसका मतलब है टेम्परेचर जो है वो कम होता जा रहा है। और किस तरह से होता जा रहा है, लाइक अगर हम देखें कि हम इसमें सिंपली याद रख लें कि जब हम अपनी लाइन में राइट से लेफ्ट की तरफ मूव करेंगे तो टेम्परेचर डाउन होगा। यानी 9 जो है वो 10 से कम है, 8 उससे भी कम, फिर 7 उससे कम। सिमिलरली हमारे पास तमाम नंबर्स जो हैं वो ग्रेजुअली कम टेम्परेचर को शो करेंगे ऑन अ नंबर लाइन। हम इस प्लान को भी अपने ध्यान में रख सकते हैं while making the arrangement of the temperature. And other thing which is important that you should keep in your mind as we will move, like when there are the numbers, when we are going to move, the more to the right a number on a number line, the greater the value of the temperature is. Simply we should keep this in your mind. So let's see what to do in that question. Question number 3 of the exercise. See, there are different numbers: 0 degree centigrade, -9 degree centigrade, 3 degree centigrade and -2 degree centigrade. तो सबसे जो बड़ा यहाँ पे नंबर देखेंगे हम अगर नंबर लाइन को ध्यान में लाएं तो हमारे पास -9 जो है वो, they said starting with the coldest temperature, -9 सबसे कोल्ड होगा, उससे कम कोल्ड जो होगा -2 होगा, उससे कम 0 होगा और उससे जो है वो फिर यानी ग्रेजुअली बढ़ता जा रहा है। मीन्स कोल्डेस्ट टेम्परेचर जो है वो -9 है और उससे वार्मर की तरफ जा रहे हैं। हम स्टार्ट करें कोल्डेस्ट से, कोल्डेस्ट यानी सबसे ज़्यादा कम टेम्परेचर जो है वो -9 डिग्री है अकॉर्डिंग टू द नंबर लाइन। जब हम राइट साइड पे मूव करते हैं तो हमारे पास जैसे जैसे नंबर राइट साइड को मूव होते जाते हैं उनकी वैल्यू जो है टेम्परेचर की बढ़ती जाती है, टेम्परेचर रेज होता जाता है। तो -9 पहले नंबर लाइन पे था, उससे हम -2 पे मूव किया, फिर 0 पे मूव किया, फिर 3 पे मूव किया। इस तरीके से हम नंबर लाइन भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं और अपने नंबर्स को भी अरेंज कर सकते हैं। इन अदर वर्ड्स वी कैन से कि माइनस या नेगेटिव के नंबर्स में नंबर जितना बड़ा होगा टेम्परेचर उतना ही ज़्यादा ठंडा होगा, यानी उसका टेम्परेचर जो है वो कोल्डेस्ट होगा। 9 जो है वो 2 से ग्रेटर है। क्यों? वैसे तो हमारे पास पॉजिटिव नंबर्स में ग्रेटर होता ही होता है, लेकिन -9 हमें शो कर रहा है कि माइनस के केस में आपने याद रखना है कि अगर दो नंबर माइनस के हैं, -2 और -9, तो टेम्परेचर जो है वो उस नंबर का ग्रेटर होगा, ज़्यादा कोल्डेस्ट होगा, जो नंबर भी ग्रेटर होगा। लाइक -9 का टेम्परेचर कोल्डेस्ट होगा, फिर -2 का, फिर 0। आहिस्ता आहिस्ता ये टेम्परेचर जो है वार्मर टेम्परेचर की तरफ बढ़ रहा है। हम अपने जहन में नंबर लाइन का डिज़ाइन भी रखेंगे ताकि हमें पता हो कि जिस तरीके से नंबर लाइन में नंबर्स जो हैं वो राइट साइड पे मूव करते जाते हैं, टेम्परेचर जो है वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता राइज करता जाता है। और जैसे जैसे हम नंबर लाइन में लेफ्ट साइड पे मूव करते हैं टेम्परेचर जो है वो कोल्डेस्ट की तरफ होता जाता है। हियर यू कैन सी फॉर बी पार्ट दैट -8 इज कोल्डेस्ट, देन -4, देन नेक्स्ट बाय slowly we are moving from coldest to the warmest. So you can see -8, then -4, then 3 and then 7. Here in C part you can see that -11, -2 and then 2, then 7. And it is very simple to keep in your mind. By keeping in your mind you can do this work, because Our numbers are telling us that which number is coldest. If you will revise that scale, you will already aware about the coldest and the hottest temperature. You will be able to solve this question easily. I hope this is clear to you all. And that's all for today's lecture. What is your homework today? Let me show you that homework slide. Do in your neat mathematics copy, positive and negative numbers, page number 49, question number 1, 2, and 3, so on. Till question number 3, you will finish your work in your neat copy and stop sharing my screen. That's all for today's lecture.